The new universal carry-on size regulations have established a standard dimension of 22 by 14 by 9 inches or 56/36 by 23 centimeters, which all travellers must adhere to. This change aims to create consistency across airlines, but it may pose challenges for those with existing bags that do not meet these specifications. Travellers should take the time to measure their current luggage to ensure compliance, as non-conforming bags could lead to additional fees or the need to check them in. If your bag falls short of the new requirements, consider upgrading to a compliant model to avoid any travel disruptions and enhance your overall flying experience. The new weight limits for carry-on luggage are set between 8 to 10 kilos or 17 to 22 pounds, which travellers must adhere to when flying. These restrictions will be strictly enforced at check-in kiosks, making it essential to pack wisely. To avoid exceeding these limits, consider strategies such as wearing heavier clothing or shoes while travelling, which can help lighten your bag. Additionally, prioritise packing only the essentials and utilise lightweight luggage to maximise your carry-on capacity. By being mindful of these weight restrictions, you can ensure a smoother travel experience and avoid potential fees or the inconvenience of having to check your bag. The new rules regarding personal items now specify a size limit of 18 by 14 by 8 inches, which travellers must adhere to. This change emphasises the importance of ensuring that personal items fit comfortably under the seat in front of you, allowing for a more organised cabin space. To avoid the hassle of checking oversized items, it's crucial to pack strategically. Consider using a compact bag that meets the new dimensions and prioritise essential items to maximise your space. By being mindful of these guidelines, you can enhance your travel experience, ensuring that your personal belongings remain easily accessible throughout your journey without incurring extra fees. Significant changes are coming to liquid restrictions in carry-ons, notably the phasing out of the 311 rule thanks to advancements in new scanning technology. This shift will allow travellers to carry larger quantities of liquids without the previous limitations. However, it's essential to stay informed about specific airport regulations, as some may still enforce traditional rules. When packing liquids, consider using travel-size containers and keeping them easily accessible for security checks. Additionally, always check the latest guidelines for your specific routes, as regulations can vary by airline and destination. Staying informed will help ensure a smoother travel experience without unexpected complications. New rules for carrying electronics on flights now require that devices must be able to power on during security checks. This means travellers should ensure their laptops, tablets, and other electronics are charged and functional to avoid delays. Additionally, there are specific limits on power banks and lithium batteries, typically capping them at 100 watt-hours for carry-on items. It's crucial to familiarise yourself with these limits to prevent confiscation at security. Remember to carry your charging cables to keep your devices powered throughout your journey. Always check the specifications of your devices and batteries to ensure compliance with airline regulations for a hassle-free travel experience. The updated regulations for smart luggage now mandate that all removable batteries must be easily detachable from the bag. This change is crucial for safety during air travel, as it allows for proper handling of lithium batteries. Acceptable features in smart luggage include GPS tracking and USB ports, which enhance convenience for travellers. However, it's essential to note that not all smart luggage is compliant with these new rules. Therefore, before purchasing new luggage, encourage viewers to check specific airline policies regarding smart luggage to ensure compatibility. Staying informed will help avoid potential issues at the airport and enhance your travel experience. The new dynamics of overhead bin space allocation involve airlines closely monitoring bin usage and assigning space more strategically to optimize cabin storage. This means that travellers may find it increasingly challenging to secure overhead space, especially during busy flights. To enhance your chances of finding available bin space, consider boarding early. Many airlines now offer priority boarding options for this purpose. Additionally, using under-seat bags for essential items can help alleviate bin issues, ensuring that your necessities are easily accessible without relying solely on overhead storage. By adapting to these changes, you can enjoy a smoother travel experience and avoid potential frustrations at the gate. In summary, understanding the new carry-on rules is essential for a hassle-free travel experience. We discussed the updated size and weight limits, changes to liquid restrictions, and the requirements for smart luggage, all of which are crucial for avoiding extra fees and ensuring compliance. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video with fellow travelers. Additionally, we invite you to explore our related content for more travel tips and insights that can enhance your journeys. Staying informed about these regulations will empower you to navigate the skies with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching.